How to set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. And then in the search bar, search for bybit.com and it will land you on the official page of Bybit. Enter your login credential and sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this homepage. Once you are in here, click on this profile icon at the top right corner. And then head over to Account and Security. Inside Account and Security, scroll down. The option of Google Two-Factor Authentication will be available to you. All you want to do is click on it. One verification code will be sent on your email address associated with your Bybit account. Enter the code here and then click on Confirm. This interface will pop up. It says, download Google Authenticator on Android or iOS. Well, the next thing you want to do is add key phrases into your Google Authenticator and remember the key phrases. You can also scan this QR code. Also, you can remember these phrases. So once you have set up your Google Authenticator, you have to enter the Google Authenticator code over here and then click on Confirm. Once you click on Confirm, you will be logged out of your Bybit account. And whenever you log into your account, you have to log in with the help of the Google Authenticator and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. Make sure to hit the smash button and consider subscribing to our channel if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.